Welcome to the introduction of Discover the Magic of Yoga. In this journey, we will explore the profound impact yoga can have on your life, both physically and mentally. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a complete beginner, yoga offers something for everyone. Yoga is indeed a precious gift, originating from ancient India. It has been practiced for thousands of years and has evolved into various forms and styles, each with its unique benefits. The word yoga itself means union, symbolizing the connection between mind, body, and spirit. It offers numerous health benefits and is accessible to everyone, both young and old alike. From improving flexibility and strength to reducing stress and anxiety, yoga can enhance your overall well-being. It is a practice that grows with you, adapting to your needs and abilities as you progress. Interestingly, you don't need to be particularly strong to start practicing yoga, as it involves various poses known as asanas and breathing exercises called pranayama. These elements work together to create a balanced practice that nurtures both the body and the mind. Asanas help in building physical strength and flexibility, while pranayama focuses on controlling the breath, which in turn calms the mind and reduces stress. These practices help strengthen our bodies and calm our minds. Meditation, an integral part of yoga, allows us to connect with our inner selves, fostering a sense of peace and clarity. It teaches us to be present in the moment, letting go of past regrets and future anxieties. Yoga teaches us to focus and learn more about our physical and mental states. Through regular practice, we become more aware of our bodies, understanding our strengths and limitations. This awareness extends beyond the mat, influencing our daily lives and helping us make healthier choices. Importantly, yoga is not tied to any religion. It's a lifestyle, focusing on self-connection and inner peace. It is a universal practice that transcends cultural and religious boundaries, welcoming everyone to experience its benefits. Whether you are looking to improve your physical health, find mental clarity, or simply take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, yoga offers a sanctuary for self-discovery and growth. So why not give yoga a try? You might find it beneficial too. Start with a few simple poses and gradually build your practice. Remember, yoga is not about perfection, but about progress. Embrace the journey, and you will discover the magic of yoga in your own life. Join a class, follow online tutorials, or practice at home. The possibilities are endless. The key is to stay consistent and open-minded, allowing yourself to fully experience the transformative power of yoga. As you continue to practice, you will notice positive changes in your physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being. So roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and embark on this beautiful journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Namaste. Now let's talk about how you can begin your yoga journey with finding your feet. Starting yoga is surprisingly easy and can be done right at home. First, find a quiet space and get a yoga mat to make yourself comfortable. Wear clothes that are comfy and allow you to move freely, ideally breathable fabrics to help keep you cool. Choosing the right time for practice is crucial. Morning might be perfect as it sets a positive tone for the day, but remember, yoga can be practiced at any time. Start slowly, listen to your body, and avoid pushing too hard. Improvement will come with time. Be patient and enjoy your journey into yoga. Moving on to breathing life into yoga with mastering the breath. Breathing, or pranayama, is a fundamental aspect of yoga. Prana refers to the life force and yama means control. In yoga, we breathe through our nose, taking slow, deep inhales to fill the lungs and slow, complete exhales. Focus on your breath and notice how it feels. This can significantly calm and refocus your mind. Deep breathing isn't limited to yoga sessions. It's a relaxing technique that can be practiced anytime, whether sitting or lying down. Regular breathing exercises are excellent for both body and mind relaxation. Lastly, let's delve into simple poses, powerful benefits with your first asanas. Asanas, or yoga poses, are designed to stretch and strengthen the body. We'll explore some simple asanas that are ideal for beginners. Each pose, such as the mountain pose or tree pose, has a descriptive name. When practicing, hold each pose for a few breaths, focusing on your breathing and trying to relax into the pose. Remember, perfection is not the goal here. Just do your best and listen to your body. If any pose causes pain, it's important to stop and adjust. Yoga is about personal growth and finding what works for you. Section 5. The Mountain Pose, Finding Your Center. The mountain pose, or Tadasana in Sanskrit, might look simple, but it holds significant importance. Start by standing with your feet together, keeping your back straight and relaxing your shoulders. Spread your toes wide and press your feet firmly into the ground, feeling the earth beneath you. If you wish, you can close your eyes. As you breathe in, feel yourself grow taller, and as you breathe out, allow yourself to relax. This pose helps us feel both grounded and strong. Moving on to section 6, downward facing dog, a gentle inversion. Downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana in Sanskrit, is an excellent stretch. Begin on your hands and knees, ensuring your hands are shoulder width apart and your knees are hip width apart. Then, lift your hips up and straighten your arms and legs, forming an upside down V shape with your body. Push through your hands and feet and let your head and neck relax. This pose stretches your entire body, providing a comprehensive stretch and rejuvenation. Section 7. The warrior poses, cultivating strength and balance. The warrior poses are strong poses. They are called Virabhadrasana in Sanskrit. There are 3 warrior poses. We will learn Warrior 2. Step your feet wide apart, turn your right foot outwards, bend your right knee, keep your left leg straight and strong, extend your arms to the sides. Look over your right hand, breathe and hold the pose, then switch sides. Warrior poses build strength and focus. Section 8. Finding your flow, linking breath and movement. We can link poses together. This creates a flow of movement. We call this vinyasa. We move from one pose to the next. We breathe in and out as we move. The breath guides the movement. This helps us to focus on the present moment. Vinyasa helps us to feel more connected to our bodies. It helps us to feel more alive. Section 9. Listen to your body, the importance of mindfulness. Mindfulness is important in yoga. It means paying attention to our body. We notice how we feel in each pose. We do not judge ourselves. It's okay if we can't do a pose perfectly. Everyone is different. If you feel pain, stop and adjust the pose. You can always rest in child's pose. Yoga is not about pushing ourselves too hard. It is about listening to our bodies. Section 10. Embrace the journey, your path to flexibility and well-being. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. It is about progress, not perfection. Be patient with yourself. You will become more flexible over time. You will also become stronger and calmer. Enjoy the process of learning. Celebrate your achievements. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Keep practicing yoga. It will bring you many benefits. Namaste.